Okay, so the next step we're going to want to do is, as we mentioned, we're focusing on drop shipping with Oberlo on Shopify. So we're going to want to install the Oberlo app. Oberlo is a great app to find products to sell to your customers. They offer a free plan for the app where the first 100 orders you can process and fulfill for free. And then after your 100th order, I believe it costs about $30 a month. So this software is great. It allows you to automate the entire fulfillment process for your store. It just makes it really easy. So we're going to head over to the app section, and you can actually see it right here, but we'll visit the App Store. And we're going to search for Oberlo. And here we can see it is. So click on it, and we're going to add the app. And so Shopify offers tons of apps for your store, whether it's apps to market to people after they've purchased, to increase conversion rate on your website, to making pictures more optimal for site speed and load time. So it's a really great hub to go in and look around of what apps you want to add to your store to increase your revenue. And so once we download the Oberlo app and install it on our store, it'll open up, and this is what it's going to look like. And they've got a whole discography of products that you can add. And for this example store, we're going to be focusing on jewelry. So we're going to search for this jewelry product that I want to import into our store. All right, here it is, the distance bracelet. So we're going to click on this, take a look at it. They've got some really good product photos. And this is exactly what I want to import. Ships within 2 to 7 days. They offer e-packet shipping, which is great. E-packet shipping is the shipping method that we're going to use primarily for drop shipping. It's an 8 to 25 day ship range. It costs about $2, $2.50, which is great. So we're going to import this product to our store. And once we hit import, it's going to go over to our import list over here. We'll see it. And then we can modify it before we import it directly to our store. So I'm going to change the title here to distance bracelet, 2 pieces. I'm going to go over to the description. This is actually a pretty good description. I'm going to keep this for now. Typically, I'll delete this because the descriptions aren't great, but we'll look at our variants. And so what you can do here is change the prices of your product before importing it to the store. So we're going to want to go over to change all prices, set new value. And the suggested price is $27.99, which is actually a pretty good suggested price. I've been seeing this bracelet sell for around there, so we're going to do $28. And the compare at price is basically the price that'll be shown with a line and a slash through it. So if you want to put this product on sale, you put the compare at price up higher. So we can see at this rate, it costs us $4.98 for this product. We'll sell it for $28, and we'll make $21 on it. We can also change the shipping method right here. We're going to want to do that. We'll change it to e-packet. That looks pretty good to me. And then we go over to images, and you can select the images you want to import. And so I like this image. I also like this image. And we'll do one of the singles. This one. There we go. Cool. So we've hit every single section of this product, and we're going to click Import to Store. And so what we'll find if we go back to our Shopify store and hit Products, we'll see our distance bracelet right there. Awesome. So if we click on this, we can go edit the product description. So I'm going to edit a few things in here. I really like this description. They are called distance bracelets for allowing those to feel connected. Have this pair of bracelets feeling together no matter how far away you are. That's a pretty good description, so I'm going to keep that. The features are really good. people like to know what they're buying. They like to be smart about what they're shopping for. So adding some features about the product is great. So I'm going to click save on this. And what we can do is, preview the product on our store. And that's what it looks like. Boom. That looks pretty good so far. Awesome. So, there we go. And what we're going to do is, on this header image, we're going to state what we sell. So we're going to sell premium jewelry. And we're going to let them know it's affordable and it's stylish. All right. So make sure you hit save every now and again while you're editing your site. If you click out of this and you don't hit save, you're going to lose it all. You're going to have to do it again. It's always a bummer. And so we can already start to see that our store is starting to come together. So the next thing we're going to want to do is feature the product that we're selling on our home page. Okay. So we're going to go to add section and we're going to do feature product and we're going to do add. Okay. And we're going to go over here and we're going to hit select product and it's going to be our distance bracelet. So this is going to show up right on our home page so that people can find it easy. It's the product we want to sell to people, so we want people to see it, right? Cool. That looks pretty good. Next, what I like to do on the home page is just add a little bit of what the brand is and talk about, our mission. And our mission could be our mission at Jewelry Express Co. is to provide you with high quality premium jewelry at an affordable cost. Boom. And so you just want to talk a little bit about the brand. Let consumers know what you're up to, what you're trying to provide them. And so we're going to add an image here, something that could represent our brand. Cool. And so I actually forgot to do something. I'm going to come back up into this header section, and I'm going to click on the editor here, and I'm going to add a button. And I'm going to do shop now. And I'm going to link this button to my product. I'm going to link it to all products. So when they hit this button, they'll go to a page that shows them all the products we have. So we can do that right now. And of course, we've only got one product. But if we had imported several other products, we'd see them all listed here as well. So boom, this is a pretty good start to our homepage to get it looking nice, get it ready to present to customers who are ready to buy our products. So let's go up into the header here. Let's edit a few things. You can add a custom logo to your store. So if you have an image that you want to use for your logo up top on your shop, you upload it here. For now, we're just going to keep it with the general text. Here's what I like to do is I like to set up the announcement bar. And we're going to set this to black. And I like to announce, free shipping on all orders. Little things like this throughout the site, talking about what you offer to the consumer that's not just the product, whether it's free shipping, your site is 100% secure, 30-day returns, money-back guarantee kind of offers. Those are really important to build trust with your consumers. And so calling those things out throughout your website is a really good thing to do. Let's see. The final thing we're going to do is hit the footer. I like to make all this text black. I don't like the gray. Ooh. Make the background white or a little off-white so you can tell the difference. Let's see. There we go. Quick links. Okay, so our quick links, we're going to do company. We're going to call this company. And this is where we're going to put all of our, privacy policy, our refund policy, and our terms of service. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. So let's make sure that's spelled right. The footer menu, we're going to go in and add those pages there, the privacy policy, the shipping policy, and the refund policy. But if you wanted to change this menu, you can. You can change it to different menus that we can create back on the admin portal. I'm going to get rid of this for now, and we're going to keep the newsletter, and we're going to say something like, sign up for special offers and new product releases. And so this is an area where people can sign up and subscribe to your newsletter, which is great to have throughout your website. So we're going to click Save. And we're going to go back. And we're going to edit a few other things just to make this site a little more presentable and hopefully help us increase the conversion rate on it. So we're going to go into theme settings where we have a bunch of different things we can change. We can change the colors. We can change the fonts. We can add our social media links. And a favicon is going to be the little icon that appears next to your web address when people load it. And we can also change the checkout process. So we're going to start with colors. And we're going to do the text of the heading links. So these links up here, I'm going to make this black, all the way black. Body text, I'll make that all the way black as well. Sale price, I'm going to make red. There's a psychology behind these colors. Red, greens, blacks, and whites are really good to use. And let's see, for our primary buttons, I'm going to do a nice green. Nice green color. Green means go. Get people ready to buy. Form fields, that looks pretty good. Image overlays, that looks good. All right, that looks pretty good to me. I'm actually going to leave the typography as it is, but if you wanted to go in here, Shopify offers a bunch of different fonts you can change. And then social media, you can link your accounts in here. So if you've got a Facebook account, Facebook page, or an Instagram account, Twitter feed, you can start to link those in here so that people can click on it through your website. And the final thing we're going to take a look at is the checkout. Make sure if you wanted to add your custom logo in the checkout process, you'd upload it here as well. Let's see. Yeah, cool. So the colors of the links, I'm going to make a gray color. The buttons, I'm going to make green again. People are buying the product, and I want to make sure we catch them with that nice bright green. And the error messages, we're going to keep red. And we're going to click Save, and I'll show you what this looks like. So I'm going to show you what the checkout process looks like. We can see we've got three little icons up here in our editor. This is going to be a mobile view for what your website looks like on mobile. This is going to be the editor view we were just in, and this is going to be full desktop. So I'm going to try and add this product to our cart, and I'm going to check out. Cool. So as mentioned, you can upload your custom logo here. Oop. You can upload your custom logo up here, which we didn't do, but you can upload the image there. I like this. Cool. Our buttons are green, and that looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna get out of the website here and head back over to the Shopify admin portal by clicking this top left button.